Note: the video shown may depict a different version of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to this notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery and memory door. Removal. Important: make careful note of which wireless antenna cable is connected to each terminal on the wireless LAN mini card for later replacement. Carefully disconnect the wireless antenna cables from the wireless LAN mini card with a small pair of needle nose pliers or tweezers. Caution: use care when disconnecting the wireless antenna cables from the wireless LAN mini card. Damaged cables or connectors can degrade notebook performance. Remove the 2.5mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the wireless LAN mini card to the system board and allow it to release to the spring tension position. Grasp the wireless LAN mini card by the edges and pull gently to remove it. Place the wireless LAN mini card in a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Grasp the wireless LAN mini card by the edges and remove it from the static dissipative bag. Align the notch in the wireless LAN mini card with the key in the wireless LAN mini card slot on the system board. At an angle, gently insert the wireless LAN mini card into the slot on the system board. Press the wireless LAN mini card down and replace the 2.5mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the wireless LAN mini card to the system board. Reconnect the wireless antenna cables to the wireless LAN mini card. Caution: use care when connecting the wireless antenna cables to the wireless LAN mini card. Damaged cables or connectors can degrade notebook performance. Route the wireless LAN mini card antenna cables into the routing clips built into the base enclosure.